I'm present, Your Honor.
And Mr. Mboya.
The position. The accused person, if the High Court finds out, which we are very positive and hoping that we might get favor, then that charge sheet comes invalid. The court referred here as a magistrate's court, which has moved to the High Court. That court then, its decision will make the second accused and third accused people not to take plea.
If you stand to argue an application for accused 2 and 3, and accused 1 does not stand, then the court will presume accused 1 is comfortable. Miller is on record indicating they are ready to proceed.